The Ngā Pakiaka Rangatahi Collective is part of the Māoriland Film Festival Whānau. They have partnered with E Tū Whānau to provide a platform for rangatahi Māori to hone their filmmaking skills so that they are able to share their stories of life in Aotearoa from their unique perspectives.
Kia ora, ko Ari kapa tōku ingoa, hiuri hau no Te Aupauri. I am the rangatahi manager here at Māoriland Charitable Trust. Ngā Pakiaka is a film leadership program for Indigenous rangatahi aged 14 to 25 from across Aotearoa. As advocates for storytelling and all creative outputs, Māoriland believes in rangatahi being the leaders who will shake the room and disturb the systems that the screen industry runs on. Ngā Pakiaka facilitates several rangatahi filmmaking workshops focusing on those rural towns that aren't exposed to as many opportunities as the bigger cities. As iwi taketake, Indigenous peoples, we navigate life with our ancestors in mind. And as a whānau with members who hail from all parts of Aotearoa, we not only serve our own communities, but essentially the nation and abroad. Our young people have a perspective of the world that not even us oldies can try to write. E Tū Whānau Ngā Pakiaka gives rangatahi an opportunity to voice their perspective through film. Rangatahi are encouraged to structure their films around the 6 values of E Tū Whānau. We do this to ensure that every film produced in our workshops uplift our people.